Hi everyone, welcome back to The Lit Side. Today we're diving into the classic novel Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen. This story is all about two sisters, Eleanor and Marianne Dashwood, and how they deal with love, loss, and life's ups and downs. Let's get started. The story begins with the Dashwood family facing a big problem. Their father, Mr. Henry Dashwood, passes away and leaves his entire fortune to his son from his first marriage, John Dashwood. This means Eleanor, Marianne, their mother, and their youngest sister, Margaret, are left with very little money and no home of their own. John's wife, Fanny, isn't very kind and convinces John to give his stepmother and half sisters only a small amount of money. So, the Dashwood women have to leave their beautiful home, Noland Park, and move to a modest cottage called Barton Cottage. Thanks to a kind relative, the title Sense and Sensibility actually refers to the two main sisters and their personalities. Eleanor is the older sister and represents sense. She's practical, calm, and always thinks things through. Marianne is the younger one and represents sensibility. She's emotional, passionate, and wears her heart on her sleeve. At Barton Cottage, the sisters meet new people who change their lives. Eleanor quietly falls in love with Edward Ferrars, a kind and gentle man. But there's a twist. Edward has secretly been engaged to another woman, Lucy Steele, for years. Eleanor keeps this heartbreak to herself because she believes in doing the right thing, even if it hurts. Meanwhile, Marianne meets John Willoughby, a charming and handsome young man. She falls head over heels for him and openly shows her feelings. But Willoughby isn't what he seems. He's actually selfish and only interested in marrying a wealthy woman. When he suddenly leaves Marianne without explanation, she's devastated and falls seriously ill. While Marianne is caught up in her heartbreak, Colonel Brandon, a mature and honorable man, quietly cares for her. At first, Marianne doesn't notice him because she's so focused on Willoughby. But as this story goes on, she learns to appreciate Colonel Brandon's kindness and steady love. Back in London, Eleanor discovers the truth about Edward's secret engagement, which causes her great pain. Marianne learns about Willoughby's true nature. He married for money and didn't really love her. These experiences teach both sisters important lessons about balancing their feelings with reason. In the end, things work out for both sisters. Edward is disinherited by his family for breaking his secret engagement, but he and Eleanor are finally free to be together and get married. Marianne recovers from her illness and realizes that Colonel Brandon's love is genuine and true, so she marries him. The sisters find happiness by blending sense and sensibility, using both their heads and their hearts to guide their lives. So, Sense and Sensibility is a beautiful story about family, love, and learning to find balance between emotion and reason. It shows us that life isn't just about following your heart or just being practical. It's about knowing when to do both. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more book stories made simple. See you next time.